this language, but I love this language because it gives me confidence. And I feel nervous on video call because I not talk with anyone on video call. So very rare I talk with video call. That's why you can see that.
No, I couldn't recognize that you're nervous. You're speaking so confidently.
You speak more with yourself through mirror, or when you speak through your friends. Friends is not talking. Friends make joke, but still you are talking with your friends or another. There are many apps you can talk with it, so you can be fluent. That's all.
Hello, my audience. Over there, I'm gonna talk about many English crucial things in this conversation. Cause keep watching till the very end. Cause in this conversation, we're gonna talk about many things. And today, we have a great opportunity to meet a ma'am. And yep, so we're gonna start their conversation. Okay, sorry, ma'am, cause I have to interrupt. Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. How's it going?
Good afternoon, Mehzabin. It's going good. What about you?
I'm also when bananas amid with my daily tasks and of course of exam. So it's a little bit easy for me. And yep, life is going great. So, yep, it's. I hope that would be a really interesting conversation with you, and as well as I do many conversations with many people. So I hope this conversation will be very great. So, as we are meeting at the first time, and I'm gonna introduce myself because introduction is a great way to know each other. So, I'm Mehzabin Mowshi. I come from Bangladesh. If you tell about my qualification, I'm just in class 6 in a Bengali medium school and I have a YouTube channel where I upload English related videos, and my goal is to share people the ideas of learning English in easiest and simple and powerful way. And yep, and I'm interested in neuroscience, so that's all about myself. Would you mind giving your introduction, ma'am?
Yeah, I like your introduction. Can I introduce myself? It's my turn.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, Mehzabin. I am Nishu Singh. I am from India. I live in very small city, Durgapur in West Bengal. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed my graduation in 2019 in BCA degree. I like listening to music and listening to poetry also, and sometimes I write some lines in English, in Hindi. That's all about me.
Thank you very much for giving your introduction. It'd be a great opportunity to listen your introduction. And thank you very much for joining this conversation, this English conversation. And first of all, it will be a really conversation with you. And before that, before diving into that conversation, I could have your like 1 minute to interact with my audience. So with my audience too during the conversation. Yep. So okay, I'm gonna start my conversation. So as I get interested in you, as we are meeting at the first time, as I tell you that. So, ma'am, when did you started your English journey? Cause your English is really good.
Thank you. I had started my journey in 2023 on October month. In October month, sorry. I still preparing for my for fluency. Sorry, I still sorry. I still prepared in English because I love this language, and this language gives me confidence. That's all.
Yep, it's great and it's really fantastic that you love English because many people fear English. They do not love English.
Yeah.
In that way, English do not come in their way. And me too, I love English for my childhood. And I used to speak English all the time because I love English. Yep. At the same time, I love my mother tongue. At the same time, English. Whatever I do, mostly is speak in English. Anyway, about this, enough way about this. And another thing is that you say that you started from 2023. And many people start from like 15 or 20 years and they're not able to speak English fluently. And at that stage, they completely fail to do it and they give up with that and keep aside and just go along with their normal life. So what motivation did you want to give to them? That what do you want to tell about them that they're just giving up, they're just not doing the same right thing, they're just not feeling like to learn English? So what do you tell about this?
Actually, I have taken one course that sir inspires me a lot. Uh, they said it's too much important because it's English is important in job. When you go to another country, when you go to another country, it's important. Uh, all things are in English. You what except Hindi and Bengali. All the things, all the books are in English language. Yes,
Yep, all the motivational books are probably in English.
yes.
Because in Marquette, when you're gonna go, every time, whatever favorite book of yours, they are written in Bengal, not in English. Sorry for that, in English. And whenever you get that, if you don't understand it, probably you're not gonna understand this motivational thing. And of course, that you say that you have taken course. But many people don't take course. They are just want to learn English from home alone. And even they don't want to do conversation. They're just afraid of doing conversation. So, what do you tell about them? What are your tips and tricks to speak English alone and at home?
Yeah, when you speak more with yourself through mirror, or when you speak through your friends. Friends is not talking. Friends make joke, but still you are talking with your friends or another. There are many apps you can talk with it, so you can be fluent. That's all.
Yep, and I will share you some 5 tips that you should follow in order to speak English fluently alone. And me too, I don't take any courses, classes. I'm just learning English at home by myself alone. Yep,
Okay.
and all what you're gonna do is reading some books. Probably you're not gonna understand it first time, but I used to read first time children's book, level 1 book, which is very basic. When you're gonna read this, you're gonna go to your flashback to children's life. And after all, have to develop your level and speak aloud, to read aloud. Without that, you couldn't practice. And another thing is practice in front of mirror because it's gain confidence at the same time. Try to develop your body language at the same time in front of mirror and record yourself, like probably tell it, fix up the camera and record yourself, whether you upload it or not, it's your choice. But I'm telling you, you have to must record yourself. And another good thing is like whatever you do, whatever you read, just make a playlist, not a playlist, a folder of what you did every day. And once in a week you have to revise them all, that what you learned in today's week and what you get from them, right?
Right, right, right.
Another thing is you could speak English alone because many people are taking many tuitions and still, and even English medium students don't know how to speak English. It's mostly they are, because if you don't try to speak English, whatever tips I give you, whatever I do, whatever sources I give you, are not able to learn. It's completely depending on your opinion. But for me, I read at the same time, listening at the same time. I don't take English it very hard in that like a subject. I don't keep a specific time, but I used to listen and play and read like that. I love English, so yep, that's why
Your
I'm
accent
learning
is well.
English.
Your accent is well. It's an American accent.
Yep, it's American, but if you want, I can show you the difference between American and British.
Yeah,
Because as
please.
I say that, skills are. Okay, I'll tell.
Yeah, yeah, please. Please tell me.
Okay. So, first of all, I'm gonna give my introduction in American, then I'm gonna give my intro in British, so I hope you'll be able to understand the difference. So, first of all, in American accent, I'm Mehzabin Mowshi. I come from Bangladesh. If you tell about my qualification, just in sixth class in a Bengali medium school as a Bengali medium student, and I have a YouTube channel where I upload English related videos. And my goal is to share people about the theme and interactive and simple way and powerful way to learn English. And I'm interested in neuroscience. That's all about myself. And if I tell in British, I'm Mehzabin Mowshi. I come from Bangladesh. If you tell about my qualification, I'm just in sixth class in a Bengali medium school as a Bengali medium student. I'm interested in neuroscience and I have a YouTube channel where I upload English related videos. And yep, that's all about myself. And yep, it's British and American. I share the word meaning. Then record, and chest, sofa, couch, or Chesterfields, or even sofa. Chesterfield is Canadian white. And if you tell about the difference, teacher, it's British, and teacher, it's American, and chips, it's American, water is American, but water is British, and crisps is British, and mobile is British, but cell phone is American. But mobile phone is also great. So if you tell about Harry Potter, it's like British, and Harry Potter in American. Yep, so that's all about the difference. So another thing I want to ask you, probably it's true, that could you summarize your English journey? Because from your English journey, my audience and me, I could learn something. So could you share, please?
You know about my English journey, right?
Yep, I want to know about it.
Yeah, I have started my journey on January on 2023 in January. Sorry. On
October.
In October 2023, I have started my journey, and still it's going on, and I am taking free class for this, but I not understand when I am fluent in this language, but I love this language because it gives me confidence. And I feel nervous on video call because I not talk with anyone on video call. So very rare I talk with video call. That's why you can see that.
No, I couldn't recognize that you're nervous. You're speaking so confidently.
But I am feeling nervous. I'm stuck sometimes.
No problem. But it's still, I don't feel nervous at the same time. It's anyway, but um, I love to express myself in thousands of people, and I love to be in camera. It's my childhood thing. No problem. So,
Yeah.
yep. Another thing
You
is,
want to know? Do you want to? I want to share you something. Yeah, when I am in my childhood days, I don't know about journalist. So what I did at my home, I am speaking like I am like this. I am this is my mic, and I am performing like journalist because I don't know how to go on in TV. So I can perform at my home like this.
it's a very popular channel and TV.
Yeah, television.
Yep, television. And yep, so do you have any question for me?
I want to know. I want to tell you. Your accent is very well. I have to. I not understand properly, but one day I will understand your accent. But I like your accent.
Thank you very much. And of course, you'll be able to more fluent like me or fluent like me. And yep. And you should also follow native speakers because I'm an English learner. And soon I think you'll be able
Yeah.
to fluent by watching my videos at the same time other videos which they use in American or British. What do you prefer? It's on you. But for me, American, it's my favorite.
It's a
No
cool,
problem.
it's a cool type. Cool type. American is cool type. British is I think boring, but American is cool.
I
I
think
think.
it's classy. British is classy.
Yeah, you
And
can say
American,
that. Cool.
what do you think about Canadian?
Canadian. I don't know. I don't know about other
I think
countries.
a
What?
Canadian is more, what do they call it? Canadian is more American British mix, so I don't think it's anything. But I think Canadian is like cold winter. I feel like when I farm cow, goats, I think like that when I see Canada. The word. It's full of farm, and at the same time, when it's get winter, it's too cold.
I have also a YouTube channel. Uh, it's a Fluent Nishu.
Okay, so anyway, do you have any question for me? Cause I should wrap up the session. Cause I have math exam
Okay, okay,
after two.
sure. Yeah, yeah. Please, thank you. Have a nice day.
Great. I'm so grateful to you that you've joined this conversation, and it was a wonderful conversation with you. And yep, bye. See you later.
Take care.